Hi guys, so today I'm going to share with you how I created with these here. These are from the Dollar Tree, those there. And I have 10 of them. So I have 10 of these here from the Dollar Tree. And I have some glue sticks, some bling, and some garland from last year, hot glue gun, and a Christmas, Merry Christmas stencil from the Dollar Tree, okay? So the first thing we're going to do, we're making an easy wreath. So this is just a really simple wreath that you can do, that anyone can do. So I'm going to remove this here. Take that off. So we want to make sure that these points touch, like so. And pretty much all we're going to be doing is just going around in a circle, allowing them to touch on the tips, okay? And we're going to glue them down with glue. So what I would do is add some glue here. I'm going to add some glue here. And I will let those touch. Overlap just slightly. Okay? And the same over here. And we're going to just go around in this circle like that, and we're just going to keep on completing our circle around, around, and around until we get it closed off, okay? That's what we're going to do. So while I was gluing these down, I realized that they were not stable. So I had to pull them up because they were coming up and find another way to do this DIY. So I took a old hula hoop from a previous DIY that I got from the Dollar Tree. And if you don't have a hula hoop, you can use a regular wreath form. And I took some of this garland that I had from last year. And as you can see, all I'm doing is wrapping this garland around this hula hoop to give it some shape and so it look like a wreath. So once I'm done with that, I'm then going to glue my stars down around the perimeter of this now makeshift wreath, okay? And I'm going to be using some hot glue. Okay, so here is this wreath form now from a hula hoop. You see, it's like that. Fine, wonderful. Now those stars that we previously had tried to glue together, we are now going to glue them. See, some of them are already together. We're going to glue them around this wreath form. And we mainly want like this portion of it to sit on here. Okay, y'all, so I'm just trying to figure out how to place these stars, and I'm going to go in and add my hot glue. But as I was putting them down, I realized that this wreath is smaller, so now I went from 10 stars to 9 stars, and then it is still somewhat kind of off. So now I'm going to use my little sign here from Michael's Craft Store This is very messy, you guys. This glitter falls everywhere. Yes, indeed. So anyway, I'm going to just hot glue it down. I'm going to let some parts of the lettering touch the stars, and where it touches is where I'm going to apply my hot glue. And then I am going to use a burlap ribbon that I found in my last year decor bag, and I'm going to place it at the bottom of this wreath.
Basically.
And here is the final look, you guys. You can see I added on a little bit of embellishments. I used some Dollar Tree little decor balls or ornament balls in red and gold, just to add a little something on there. And then I had some little gold bells that I used on my tree last year. I just took 2 of them and hot glued it to the bell just to give it a little extra something. And you guys, don't come for me about my door. It is dusty. I have not cleaned off around my porch yet for my Christmas decor. Hopefully me and the husband can get that done this weekend, and I can place out my Christmas decor for the outside. So I hope you guys were inspired by this easy and different DIY Christmas wreath using these Dollar Tree items, okay? So if you were and you liked it, give me a thumbs up, and if you didn't, I'm sorry. Thank you anyway for watching. Thank you all so very much. I hope you are enjoying this series. If you are, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow in DIY number 3. Love, peace, and blessings.